The message of today was being okay with who you are and taking risks that are important to you and believing in actual faith that you claim that you have. Meaning, one of the things that my brother has always taught me, and he has a YouTube channel, he's always taught me that it is okay to not want to give your energy to the world. He hides himself. If y'all ever want some merch, his kds.com. But anywho, he has a wife, and his wife says it's okay for him to show his face, when he is on live, but out of respect for her, he chooses not to, right? Because he don't want people working his energy, his time, his space, and his element. With that being said, sometimes in life, you have to choose, right? If you're not comfortable sharing your energy with the world, don't. Because sometimes people want to look at you for more than what you are asking for. If you like the content, like it. If you don't like the content, then leave. The whole purpose of it is, I'm not doing this for your amusement. I don't do this for entertainment. I do this to teach. I do this to show that people actually do what they're saying that they're going to do. So when you're asking and trying to holler and have whole full-blown conversations or flirting, understand it's not for that principle. It's actually for the people that believe in their orishas. It's actually the people that actually go out here and understand the essence of universal law. Really taking the time out and doing what they got to do and getting stuff done and quit procrastinating. But most importantly, taking the risk in what you believe in wholeheartedly. And when you have that energy, if there's something that you want to do, because sometimes you be holding your own self back. I've had babalawos that wanted to get into their practice wholeheartedly, wanted to get into doing elbows, wanted to get into doing a lot of stuff, but work consumed them because, like my grandfather would always tell me, a man is worried about his structure, his foundation, if he's a real man. But a true king always takes risk and believe in wholeheartedly. So I'm just saying to my Yanni Fives and my Babalawos, if you really want to do what you believe in wholeheartedly, sit down and read with a Rumila. Allow for the waves to crash and the messages from the depths of the ocean from Olokun to expose your true purpose of your assignment through your ancestors. Heal it and become what you're asking for. Stop running from the responsibilities. Allow for yourself to be elevated into your full extent. Allow for you to be fully elevated into your essence. When you're running away because you don't believe, then do you really believe in your orishas like you say you do? Do you really believe wholeheartedly that you have the ability to teach? Because you have to lead by example. And when you're not leading by example, then that's like a pastor. That is leading his congregation to failure. So why would you lead somebody when you are not capable and always in fear? That's one thing about Achosi, Ogun, Shango, Obatala, Eshu, Olokun, all my orishas, they don't believe in fear. But they do believe in logical balance. So if you actually feel it in your soul, in your heart, this is what you want to do, why be afraid of not being able to do it wholeheartedly? Why be afraid to do what you believe in? I'm just saying, sit down with a Rumila, you'll be surprised with the answers that you get. Your calling and your purpose and your virtue. Ashe.